Look at all the fruits here. Here's the moat. Oh, we can't be. Around the palace. Or the fortress. They have the bridge there. I think they made it permanent now. Look at that. There's the fortress. That's a cannon over there. Got more of these bridges. There's 3 of these bridges. Look how they have for the riding in the rain, the ponchos over the headlights of their bike. They wrap it over the headlights of their bike. The ponchos over the headlights of the bike, and it has like a little window or something. So we're here at the Binh restaurant. This is in actually Hue, so hopefully it should be really good. So we'll see the food soon. They have the noodles there, cuts of meat, pork stuff, the soup, and the meatballs. They ran out of veggies. Look at that. Okay, so here's the Binh. We ordered the one without the ham, like the pork ham, the white semicircle ham. It's an extra 10,000, so we just ordered it without it. You can see they have the blood cubes. You have this. This is the pork hoof, I think. Doesn't have as much of the skin fat part, so I don't know. And then it has like this meatball-y thing. Alright, here's the like tendon kind of stuff. Yeah, they eat it with like some pickled chilies. Oh, lime. They have this. Oh, and then they have this. I didn't have this one. So this one is the lettuce, the banana flour. So before it turns into the actual banana, they just cut up the flour really thin slices. That's what these things are. Okay, so they put a whole mixture of veggies in there. Oh, so they pickle it with fish sauce. The only thing I don't like is they mix it with those other leaves that I don't really eat. Yeah, I guess I'll just try it their way. We'll try it their way. Yeah. Okay. So I'll try this by itself first, just to see how they do it. This is the congealed jelly blood. Good. Good stuff. Okay, let's try this. I really like these, the blood jelly cubes. Some people don't like it just because the thought, I think. It's really good. The tendon. Still has some crunch to it. It's nice. And the noodles. Very good. Good stuff. Huh? I like it. That's the chili fish sauce stuff they put. I just want to try the noodles with it a little bit. Oh, it's pretty spicy. Pretty spicy, but it's really good. I like this one. But yeah, it's really good. Let's try the, I don't know if this is fish or pork. Good. Very good. And this one. Yep, good stuff. Alright, see you guys later. Okay. For some reason I was missing this from my bowl. So it's like that. It's like crab. Very good. Nice.